Hello friends, it's Decor Mommy. Thank you for taking the time to stop by. I do have a haul for you, but before we get into that, I want to thank you for taking the time to stop by. If you're into DIYs and you're into hauls and you're into decor, that's what my channel's about, and I'd love to have you come join the family, guys. So let's get started on this haul here. So I thought I would display the haul instead of laying it out for you guys. I went to Dollar General and I didn't want to get crazy, but they do have the most adorable things that you'll find. So some of those things that I found was this little plaque, and it was $2. Then I came across this adorable little truck. They had an orange one as well. Stay to the end, because at the end I'm going to show you everything else that was there. This adorable little truck was $5. Love the green on that. It just spoke out to me. I thought it was just such a pretty color for the fall. And they had this little morning pumpkin cup. Oopsie, and that was $1. Now I want to share that these little pumpkins are not from the Dollar General. I did find those at the 99-cent store, but I thought I would display them since they are new. How adorable are these little pumpkins? They were $1. And they have like a little tassel on them, and they're so adorable for $1. I had to pick me up 4 and 4 of each. Okay, so I thought that these orange little pumpkins would look so cute with these little cars, guys. This one here is a cookie jar. I'm gonna take it out of its plastic. Look at it, it is just so darling. And this one was $8. And then I came across this little sign for $1. Give us this day our daily bread. And I just added some little flowers, some little fall flowers, which I think looks so cute. So let me open up this little cookie jar. So the plastic is off, and this is the little top of the little cookie jar. And what I liked about it is that you can use it for all the seasons, because you can take the little top off and you can add your own things on there. That's why I thought it was just so cute, and it's so little. And I'm gonna put the little pumpkins in the back just to see how it would look back there. So it is like pretty steep for cookies, of course, if you want to put some cookies back there, but I don't know, it's just so adorable, so adorable. Let's put some flowers back there. This is kind of like the size of it, and I think you could even put like these little details in the back. How sweet that looks with the little flowers in there. So cute. That's what I liked about it, that you can change it out. Too cute. Just went ahead and set it up here. I am just so in love. It's so cute. Look at that little truck. How cute. And I love the little colors on it. It's just so adorable. Okay guys, I also forgot to mention this beautiful little placemat. They did have a few placemats, and this is one of them. It has farm in the back. Pumpkin patch, really cute. So I also want to share with you this beautiful little shelf. Oh my word, I love shelves, okay guys? And for the fall, I love black somewhat here and there, but this shelf, I couldn't choose. I'll insert another picture of 2 of them. One of them was white and one was black, but you know, I didn't get like a pair. They didn't have a pair. Although I could have got the white one and just spray painted it or whatever, but I chose to go with just this white one. And it was at Burlington, And I also came across this little jar as well. So I want to try and put the goodies on here to kind of recreate the look a little bit. And I did get this for $6.99 as well. It's like a floral. Thought it would match great with this. But look at this, how beautiful it is. What I love is the little shelves on it as well. So this is what my little shelf looked like, with both the little cars on there, little trucks, sorry. And I was also thinking, what if we stick some apples in the back? That'd be really cute too. Okay guys, look how cute. You can even put the apples in there. We could fit about 3 of them in there, look. There's one inside. 1, 2, and 3. You can fit like 3, probably like 3 or 4 in there. How cute is that? Oh my word, it's so cute. And looks so cute. So pretty much you can see that you can fit a lot of things, not just cookies. And I also have this here. So probably you could put that in the background of this. And I wanted to share with you these little crates that I DIY'd too. I think they would look really cute, filled with pumpkins or apples or whatever the case is. So cute. Okay, so this is with the little pumpkins added in there, some apples. I think it looks really cute, especially for the fall. So I love how these little crates turned out. Spray painted them black, added some numbers in the back, and they will be so cute for little decor for the fall. And then in this little jar, I just added these little flowers. But I think you can add other things like popcorn in there and things, kernels, actually popcorn kernels. Right, so you could use these crates for whatever it is that you like. I do think they're adorable. I said it before. And I just love this little farmer's market sign. It is just adorable as well. Love these crates, also for your kids' bedroom. You could add Spider-Man in back of them and, you know, just to explore.